Ready2Robot! Ready2Robot! Ready2Robot pilots love to fight and settle everything in the fight-anium arena. Are you ready to build the best bot? Swap in awesome weapons and battle until you're the champion? Win or get slimed. So these have different figures in them and the slime. I don't want to open it the way you would normally open it because that will ruin the box. It was $250, but it was 75% off clearance sale. So yeah, clearance. So like $250, 25 cents, 25 cents. Half of a quarter is 12 cents. So 50, 60, 70, like 70 something cents here, right? I mean, these four were even cheaper than the Power Ranger thing that was in my last video. This guy. I mean, girl. His head. Anyway, matter of fact, both of them were cheaper than this guy. This, that was $1. That was in my other video. The light toothbrush lightsaber. From Firefly. Anyway, which was a cool sci-fi TV show called Firefly. It's great. You should check it out. If you don't already, check it out. I'm not sure how you're supposed to get these out without tearing up the box, and I don't want to tear up the box, so I'm going to get a knife and cut them out. Be right back. Apparently, I cut the box anyway. Still have to get these parts off. But yeah. We have the red guy. We have the red guy. Back of the red guy. And there's slime. Nasty slime. There's no guy in here, I don't believe. I don't believe there's a guy in this nasty slime. No guy. None whatsoever. But it's nasty slime. Very sticky. Very, very sticky. Gross stuff. See, all over my hand. I'll have to wash my hand now to show you that that's it. Does look like you can put these things in something. I will be right back. Now, to get the guy out, you have to get the guy out of all the nasty, gross slime. This looks like a weird vampire creature person. Very gross because he had to have all this slime around him. And then you can try to get the slime back in the little container. It's not very easy. It's very disgusting. Kids like disgusting stuff. I like the figures myself. I can use them as like leader things or whatever in, you know, games or whatever. Like race games and stuff. Don't eat the slime. It is gross. It is gross. It tastes gross. I just tried to pull the thing off. Here's the guy. It's like some kind of mad scientist looking dude. And you know, and there's the back of them. I will like wash these guys and I'll show them to you washed. Get back in there, slime. But yeah. See? Gooey things of slime. Anyway, they're gross. Gross things of slime. I was having a hard time taking the top off right here. It has this weird little top with my hands because I had washed them to get the nasty slime off. And I used my teeth to open it. And the slime doesn't taste good. No, it tastes good. So here's another character. Get back in there, slime. Now I do have I'm slaving the slime. Slaving the slime. I am trying to save the slime so that I can give it to kids that I know that like slime. This one looks like a little baby. Or boxer or something. Anyway, so that's the character. You slimy. Yeah, they're very slimy. They're very gross, but kids like weird gross stuff. I like some of the weird gross stuff, but I don't care too much for this slime. Because it's so sticky. It's sticky. It gets all over the place. We'll look at the characters in a minute. Alright. I cleaned them off. We have the red guy. Ninja looking guy. Iron Man suit looking guy, maybe. We have the green goblin mad scientist looking guy. Elf, maybe. They do have holes in the bottom of the feet. I'm not sure what that's all about. We have the wrestler guy. Or the baby guy with the big yellow blonde haired afro. Then we have the vampire with one tooth looking guy. I guess he bit into the wrong neck and broke a tooth, right? Then again, it could be an elf, maybe. Or a goblin or something of that nature. So they're pretty cool. Golly, I'm sitting them on the buzzer, which the phone is sitting on, and y'all are not even seeing them. Well, that's odd that you're only seeing... Okay, there you go. The butter dish. I don't even see them, that's funny. Yeah, they're very tiny, and you only see one at a time. That's weird. When I zoom in like this. So remember, God is good all the time. All the time God is good. Keep on gaming. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Jesus loves you. Jesus is God. Jesus is King. And they're mooning you. Jesus is Lord of everything. And I guess the camera is... Yep, the camera is right there. That's where the camera is. No wonder. So, to get a real good angle of them, I can do right there. Cool. Little bitty. Huge. So they're really small because they're all in my hand, and then I dropped them. Hope you all enjoyed this Ready2Robot. Ready2Robot pallets, Series 1. There's 50 to collect. There's little vehicles you can collect too, and yes, the vehicles were on green sticker price too. I saw them today, but I didn't have enough money to buy the vehicles. They had like 2, 4, 6. And the vehicles themselves are like going to be like $1.50 each a pack. They'd have a vehicle and a pilot in them, but I didn't have enough money to buy the vehicles and everything else I bought, so I had to not get them. Instead I've got some other stuff that was better. You may have saw it in my 75% off clearance video. If not, oh well, you should check that one out. But I'll be doing videos. I'll be doing unboxing reviews of everything that I found. Anyway, so it's not that big a deal. Have a great day, guys and girls. Later. Comment down below what's your favorite color. You know, of these slimes. This is actually pretty good slime. I mean, for slime. I just don't like it because it's so sticky. I'll just give it away. Give it away. There's not much of it in there, though. I mean, some of them have a little more than others, is what it looks like. It's kind of not fair, I guess, but oh well. Later, guys and girls. Keep on gaming and collecting, and like, comment, subscribe, share, and have a great day. Later.